Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the edition of yesterday. Yes, in additional of yesterday's newspaper, Thursday, June the 17th, 2021, and we have one puzzle left because I have solved the 1 star, the 2 stars, the binary I solved. Then this time the last puzzle is a tectonic with 1 star, and this one will be number 2970. Yes, 70. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. So let's begin. And the first question is, can we see here the single boxes? The single boxes. I see here a single box. They are single box. The single boxes are always a 1. Alright. Then do we have here dual boxes? No dual boxes. I see here a triple box. Here also a triple box. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Here also a triple box. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Triple box, do we have quadra boxes? Here we see a quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes. No, here quadra box, but I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright, so the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, the L shape or the L figure or the L constriction or structure. You name it. Alright, so we have here a 1 L shape, and remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, we have a 4 here. Alright, 4. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, here also an L shape mirrored and rotated upside down. Okay, not upside down but rotated. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more L shapes? No. Then the following shape, for example this shape. Alright, here remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here another one upside down or rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, here another one. This box has the same number as that box, so in this case should be a 3. Okay, those, no, we have more shapes or figures that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Yes, it's not the same as the Z construction. We have also a Z shape or figure. Let me draw this also. Not the same. Here only wait. Yeah, no, it's not the same. Alright, so this one, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so in this case it must be a 5. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And for the C construction, this box has, or this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So in this case, this should be a 1. Alright. Those are the figures that you need to recognize for this puzzles. Yeah, we have 4 different kind of shapes or figures. There are more figures, but these ones you need to recognize. Well, we have here double U W shape, but I cannot in the W shape it could be every digits. Same for this kind of shape. Alright, so the following step is now let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, in this shape of area, 1 box left for the number 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the one in this quadra shape should be, quadra box should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So that box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then this box in this area cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. The 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. Otherwise, those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. And that box cannot be a 2 in this quadra box. I need a 2 in one of those 3 boxes. So it cannot be a 2. So it's not a solution to place the 2 here. Let me delete this. The 2 should be here and there. Alright. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. Yeah. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Well. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 2 here because we have a double 2 there and a double 3. 2 and a 3. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 2 here. The 2 should be there. And I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 number left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Then this box can be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes together as a pair in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Well, let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those, wait. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, those two boxes cannot be a 1. I have a double 1 there. And also, this box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 4 and 2. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1 in this triple box. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Cannot be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright, those 2 boxes in this area cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes to as a pair in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 5 as a pair, yes. 2 numbers left in this W area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 4 and a 5 we have here, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Alright, those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this W area shape should be the numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. You see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Well, we have a double 4 here. That means that I cannot place a 4 there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great puzzle, great Tectonic. 1 star, correct, because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the Sudokus with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the killer Sudokus, for the heavy Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, for the quintuplets, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep unpuzzling. See you tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, have a great and fantastic Friday. See you then. Bye bye for now.